Welcome children, welcome to Lakshmi Max Academy. Today I am going to explain you exercise 2.2 of class 7 Max. Question number 1. Which of the following drawings A to D show the fraction is given to you as well as figure is also given? Right? From the figure you have to just find out which fraction will match with that one. Just like a match the following. Right? First we will write the fraction means then easily we can match with that one. Here you see the fraction for this one circle alone. If you are taken 1 2 3 division were there and 2 are shaded, so the fraction become 2 by 3 for this one. Yes or no? It is 2 by 3. So like that, here also 2 by 3, here also 2 by 3. So we can write it instead of 1 2 by 3, 3 2 by 3 are there. So 3 multiply by 2 by 3. Like that we can write it. So 3 multiply by 2 by 3. You just check the option. Which one is 3 2 by 3? Yes, option number 3 is 3 2 by 3. That will be match for question A. So this is for A. And B1 you see what is the fraction for B1? It is 2 are there, out of 2 part 1 is shaded. So it become 1 by 2. Right? So it is 1 by 2. How many are there? 1 by 2, 1 and 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Where it is 2 multiplied by 1 by 2? Yes, second option. So it is B. And when it come to C, you see 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there. Out of 4 box 1 is shaded. So the fraction for this one is 1 upon 4. Right? So it is 1 upon 4. Like that how many are there? Here also 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4. So 3 multiplied by 1 by 4. Which one? Yes, fourth one. So fourth one is equals to option C. Right? And when it come to the D1, if you check it out, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are there. Out of 5 section, 1 is shaded. Right? Out of 5, 1 is shaded. So the fraction for this one is 1 upon 5. So like that 2 is there. So the fraction is 2 multiplied by 1 by 5. So 2 multiplied by 1 by 5 is, yes, first one. So this is D. So now we matched with each and everything. I hope this sum is clear for you. You have to just check the fraction for 1 and next how many are there, that you multiply it. You will get it. Here the same type of question. Next one, 3 1 by 5 equals to 3 by 5. Here they multiplied and gave the answer to. You have to just verify with that one. Right? So here first we will write the fraction. Here it is 1 2 3. Out of 3 1 is shaded. So 1 by 3. Like that how many is there? 1 and 2. So 2 multiply by 1 by 3. Normally multiplication what we will do? Direct multiplication we will do now. So 2 multiply by 1 by 3 means 2 into 1 is 2 upon 1 into 3 is 3. So the fraction is 2 by 3. Like this where it is 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. That is equals to your first one A. Okay. And next one come here 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, 3 is shaded. So 3 upon 4 the fraction is. 3 by 4, how many are there? 1, 2, 3 are there. So 3 multiplied by 3 by 4. So 3 multiplied by 3 by 4 means 3 into 3 is 9 upon, here denominator is 1 for you. So 1 into 4 is 4. So 9 by 4. So if you check it out, 9 by 4 we can convert into mixed fraction. How? 2 fourths are 8 and 1 become the remainder upon 4. 2 1 by 4. So 3 multiplied by 3 by 4 answer is 9 by 4. But again we are converting 9 by 4 into mixed fraction. 2 1 by 4. So if you check this one, where it is? Yes, third one. So third one is equals to option B. So left is C only. C will be matched with 1 because here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are there. Out of 5 box 1 is shaded. So 1 by 5. Like that 1, 2 and 3 are there. So 3 multiplied by 1 by 5, that is equals to 3 by 5. So that is option 1. So that is equals to C. Now we have done question number 1 and 2. This is from the figure you identify the fraction. This is like a smaller class 1, class 5, class 6 may you done it. And now come to the level of 7th standard 1. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction.